Rachel, my name's Marissa. I'm from New York City, and today I have a really sharp double-duty tip for you. Sometimes my knives get dull when I'm cutting up fruits, veggies, and meats, and typically I get my knives sharpened, but sometimes I actually use the back of a plate to get them sharp again when I need a quick fix. See this ridge where the plate would sit on the table? This is actually what you're going to use. You're going to grab your knife, and you're going to hold it at a 20-degree angle, and you're going to swipe on both sides like this. You don't want to do this all the time because it can wear and tear on your knives, but if you're in a bind, definitely try out this tip. Then you're going to rinse off your knife to get off any residue. And just like that, your knife will be ready to slice and dice.
It's like a sharpening stone. Very clever. So we love when our viewers are literally a part of our content. We have 2 more double-duty tips from 2 of our viewers. Oh my God, this whole show is like a tongue twister. That was Marissa. She was amazing. And now I'm here with Beverly and Tina. Woo! Beverly has a double-duty kitchen tip, but that was a really good one about using the back of the plate as a sharpening stone, right?
Very.
Very cool one. What do you got, show off? What are you gonna do?
So Rachel, today I'm gonna show you how to make fresh whipped cream with a French press.
A French press pot of whipped cream. That sounds good. All right, I didn't mean to get in the middle of your drive there. So you tell us how you're gonna roll with the whipped cream.
So rather than doing all the whipping that you have to do to make the whipped cream,
you do realize it doesn't take an enormous amount of effort. A whisk in a bowl is how you make whipped cream. Honestly, it works. You don't need an electric mixer. Trust me.
I don't cook a lot, but that might be why.
But this is easier.
Yeah, this is easy.
You're saying this takes less energy, and I believe you.
A lot less time and a lot more fun.
A lot more fun.
So.
Anything sounds more fun when you say it, though. You have such a cute little accent. Okay.
So you put in a cup of whipping cream.
Yep.
Cup of whipping cream. Little bit of sugar, or a lot of sugar.
Okay. She likes it sweet.
We like sugar in the South. And then a little bit of vanilla.
Delicious.
And then you press away. And next thing you know,
it aerates it super quickly.
It's a lot easier than doing all the whipping, I said, but maybe not. Okay, so here we go. You press the whipped cream. Next thing you know, you got fresh whipped cream.
Or you make your children do it. I'll keep doing this when you show them that one.
Okay, so here you go. There's fresh whipped cream.
Yum, and you pile it up on your berries.
Hot off the press this morning.
Hot off the press, cold whipped cream. Your kiss a button. Thank you, Tina. All right, I don't know what Tina is going to tell you about Kiwis that we don't know, but I will say I know her inspiration for her outfit. That's very cute. You match your fruit. What are you going to tell us about Kiwis?
Okay, so Rachel, I'm a busy person. I have 2 small children.
Right.
I have a full-time job, and I usually spend my Sundays meal prepping for a few, the beginning of the week.
I would spend mine with my eyes closed, but go ahead.
And so I have these beaters always sitting on my counter, and I always wonder, how can I save some time getting their fruit ready for the week? So I'm going to show you. Without peeling and making a mess.
Right.
I take the beater, stick it right in here.
Shut up.
And then I just give it a turn.
That is adorable.
There you go.
And you got kiwi cubes.
Kiwi cubes.
Well done. Well done.